Stop. If you're thinking about buying ProfitBOT, there's something you need to know first. This isn't just another make-money online gimmick. It's a fully autonomous AI income agent that builds a self-running business in 60 seconds without a website, audience, or selling. You pick a niche, deploy in 1 minute, and the ProfitBOT instantly generates traffic, talks to visitors, recommends products, captures leads, and closes sales, all on autopilot. So here's the big question. Is ProfitBOT actually the world's first fully autonomous AI income agent? Or is it just another overhyped launch? So, in this review, I'll show you exactly what ProfitBOT is, how it works, who it's really for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to pick up ProfitBOT through my link below this video, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus package worth $599 absolutely free. What is ProfitBOT? It's the world's first AI affiliate business builder. Builds a branded AI business in any niche, engages visitors with natural conversations, recommends affiliate products automatically, captures leads and promotes offers 24/7, and publishes instantly with hosting included. Benefits: why people are interested. Automation: deploy once, earn forever. No website needed. Skip design, coding, and content. Multiple niches: fitness, crypto, travel, parenting, finance, and more. Commercial license: build AI businesses for clients and keep 100% profit. Inside ProfitBOT, you're getting AI chat assistant 24/7, smart product recommendation engine, built-in traffic generator, lead capture system, analytics dashboard, unlimited niche templates, and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review honest. Pros: automation. Combines content creation, chat, traffic, and lead capture in one platform. Deploy an AI business in about 60 seconds. Build multiple businesses across niches and networks. Commercial license. Create AI businesses for yourself or clients. Cons: no guaranteed income. Results depend on niche, offers, traffic, and market conditions. Quality offers needed. Poor products won't convert even with AI. Results: what to expect. Expect faster launches and passive income streams. Affiliate marketers. Promote ClickBank, JVZoo, Amazon, CPA offers. Freelancers. Build AI businesses for clients. Entrepreneurs. Stack multiple AI businesses across niches. The biggest benefit: saving time and letting AI handle conversations, recommendations, and conversions while you focus on scaling. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab ProfitBOT through the link below. Bonus 1, AI, Niche, Script, Vault. Value, $299, 100 plus done-for-you scripts and niches ready to deploy. Bonus 2, Affiliate Success Blueprint. Value, $300. Step-by-step guide to monetize AI businesses and build recurring income streams. Total bonus value, $599. Yours, free. When you get ProfitBOT through my link today. So, is ProfitBOT worth it? If you want to skip the grind and launch AI-powered businesses that run themselves, then yes, ProfitBOT is absolutely worth it. It's not just software, it's a complete income system. Click the first link in the description to secure ProfitBOT, plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.